Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Work out a solution wherein priority in supply of LPG is provided to domestic consumers and regulated LPG supply for the purpose of cooking is kept open for the hotels, restaurants, small eateries, caterers and canteens. The government may call for an immediate meeting of the concerned stakeholders. Because a shortage of and sharp price in cooking gas cylinders will definitely hit every BPL family on subsidized cylinders. It will hit the small bakeries, households and cooking industry. Has the government returned to the Union Ministry of Petroleum seeking priority allocation of LPG stocks to Goa? You must have a clear public announcement, the Chief Minister telling Goans that the government is monitoring the situation, that buffer stocks exist, and if this communication has not happened, the people of Goa deserve to be informed what is the step, not rather getting these messages from WhatsApp.
Because sir, already we are in discussion with the concerned ministry and concerned authority, LPG gas connection. Because sir, आमचे डिपार्टमेंट ऑलरेडी जे सप्लायर्स आसात म्हणजे कमर्शियल आणि रेजिडेन्शियल सिलिंडर डोमेस्टिक सिलिंडर्स हांच्या खातीर तांच्या कडेन ऑलरेडी तेंच्यांनी उलयल्या आनी आमी ते रिस्टोर करतले. खंयसरूच कमर्शियल सिलिंडर सुद्दां जो आहा पळय न्ही तो शॉर्टेज जावचो ना. म्हणजे डिपार्टमेंटान तितके खात्री घेतल्या फुडल्या दिसांनी सुद्दां कमर्शियल सिलिंडर जो आहा तो मेंटेन दवरतले आमी. तर तितकी काळजी जी आसा ती म्हणजे डिपार्टमेंटान घेतल्या. तो स्टॉक इज सफिशियंट आसा तांच्यानी फुडलो एक म्हयनो तरी जो आहा पळय न्ही खंयसरूच कमर्शियली कमी जावचें ना, रेजिडेन्शियली जावचें ना. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया is making arrangement from the other countries also. Within a month, the government of India will make the arrangement.